So you can add layer, add layer, add raster layer. Otherwise you can press Ctrl Shift R. Then you can get here the pop-up window. It may appear pop-up window, data source manager. In that source raster data set, you press that browse button. It will take you to somewhere. So we have to browse our data where we kept. Normally we kept our data here in this folder. So in this folder internship, so we can take the data which is in the form of TIFF image format. So 57016, the topographic sheet number. Just to open it, add, you click add button, then close this window by clicking here. You can see the topographic sheet of nearby Thiruvallur area. Here you can see the road network, river, this is river, water body, blue color highlights water stagnant area. Initially we have to create a vector data, that is to capture the villages. What are the villages present here? They highlight that boundary of the village by that pink color. Road network, this orange color they mentioned. So this topographic sheet 1:50,000, which was downloaded from the Survey of India website. Now how could we create a vector layer? Here same menu, create layer, new shapefile layer. If you click new shapefile layer, a window pop-ups. We have to provide file name, geometry type. We have to select from this combo window whether it is point, line or polygon or no geometry. And field we have to add attribute information, name of the village, like that. So how could we browse? Where could we store this data? Same location where our data is present. Here interns and Vignesh, we can store villages. Already the name is present in this, already layer is present. We can create some other name, villages 1 or 57, the topographic sheet 57O16 for our reference. Save it. And the projection system here, that is point data. Projection system, they mentioned EPSG 4326. Here also it is there, EPSG. That is projection system of this raster image. We have to fix as it is. Here name of the village. That is text data. It is not number. Whole number or decimal number, date may be there. Text data. Length we could give 30, like that. Add to field list. So after clicking this button, we can see the field is added here. If you don't want, we can remove. Okay, so just give OK. It is added. Now we are going to capture this village. So Sri Haripuram. Sri Haripuram, this village. Here you select the layer, then you go to layer, toggle editing. So otherwise, right click, toggle editing. So you can select, right click, toggle editing, or the tool is available in the toolbar. You also can select toggle editing button here. Then edit, add point feature. We are going to add point feature for each of the village. So add point feature we can select here, or otherwise you can directly select in the toolbar. So click on the village. Click on the village. You can give one. Here type the information about the village. Sri Haripuram. We captured. Similarly, we can capture some other village. Number 2, Mallar Reddy Kandigai. Similarly, 3, Boggula Kandigai. Here Narappa Raja Kandigai. Like that, we can capture all the villages. Okay. After that, we have to give right click, save layer, edit. So we saved the information. After that, we can create road layer, new shape file. Here you can browse where we have to store. Same procedure, that is roads 57O16. You can save, that is line string, same projection. Here road name, that is also text data. We can give field, add to field, give OK. The road layer is appearing. Then you click toggle editing directly, or otherwise right click toggle editing, or layer toggle editing. So anywhere you can click, then edit, add line feature. So many options are there for line feature. So add circular string by radius, add circle by 2 point, add a rectangle, add a regular point, add ellipse, add annotation. So many ways we can showcase them. We can capture the line. So initially we can capture line by this. So it is road network. So zoom, it may be like that. You capture a road center line. Wherever curves are there, you can give more points. Then only it may look like a curve. So end of the line, you can right click it, it will ask the road name. So now we don't know the name. So just you right click, you can see the line. Okay. Similarly, you can capture some other road network by giving more points on the vertex on the curve. So you are picking vertex. So if anything wrong, you press backspace button. It get moves back. Then you can capture like this. Similarly, again you can create new shapefile for lakes. Lakes 57016. Then it is polygon. Name of the lake 30. Add to field list. Give OK. So third layer we created. Now you select the layer toggle editing. You can select here. Then you can find lakes and bund of this side. Bund it is available. We have to capture, edit, add polygon feature. The polygon feature also have so many tools. So add polygon. You pick this point, it is almost straight line. So you can move this direction and smoothly you can digitize the entire lake one by one. This first lake. So mistakenly I did. So pressing backspace. Just right click after finishing. I right clicked. I give OK. So I capture this lake. Similarly, we could capture some other lake. Here the boundary they may be hide here, but we have to capture the entire polygon. So they hide, this lake may be hide by like that. Like this you can capture one by one. So if you capture all these features, so we can come out from the editing mode. Right click, again you press toggle editing, you can come out from the editing mode. Okay, now we could save this as a project. 57016. Save it.